Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. In today's video, I need to get this bathroom deep cleaned. I'm not gonna come before you long. I really have a headache today. It could be lack of caffeine. Let me tell you a little secret. Your girl got back on the coffee, okay? Remember, if you've been here for a while, how I said that I was off the coffee and then I went back to decaf and then one day I drank a regular cold brew and I was like, oh, it just felt good. I'm not gonna lie. But I need to get back off the coffee again, or at least just drink decaf only. Anyway, I want to have an intimate conversation with you in my bathroom because there's no other place to do it. In all seriousness, I always talk about being kind to people because you don't know what people are going through in their lives, right? So I need to send a shout out to Nana Sweets as well as 𝐓𝐇𝐈𝐒. Y'all, you may not have known that your girl was over here struggling. But your girl was over here struggling and you just said one kind thing on a video that literally brought me to tears. So thank you so much. I really appreciate you. I love you. I'm so thankful for you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for always coming and watching my videos and leaving comments. It really does mean the world to me. All right, with that being said, if you're new here, I'm Kim, K-Y-M, K to the Y to the M. I spell my name with a Y. Please spell it correctly in the comments. It's really not that hard. K-Y-M. And this is my home. Well, this is my bathroom. And I'm gonna do some cleaning today. I typically do videos pertaining to like home life. So cooking, cleaning, DIYs, projects, repairs, all of that great stuff. My husband makes appearances because the ladies love him and I'm totally not a jealous person. I think it's funny, he thinks it's weird. So he may show up in this video today, I don't know, he's at work right now. At any rate, I'm rambling on, let's get started. Do you remember my steamer? I'm gonna go ahead and get that plugged in. I'm actually gonna use an extension cord for this because I really need to clean my shower out and I don't know if it's gonna stretch that far, so we will see. Here's the cup that comes with it and I'm gonna go ahead and pour some water right in here. It has not been turned on yet, so it's okay to pour the water in. Okay, so I lied. Oh my gosh. Kids, don't do that at home. Make sure that you pour the water in prior to plugging it in because mine does not have a power button. Let's let that marinate. So in our master bathroom, we do have two sides of the sink. This is my husband's side. His side is always cleaner than mine for some reason. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm a woman. At any rate, I am gonna clean it with my magic concoction. My magic concoction consists of, okay, that was a tongue twister. My magic concoction consists, try to say that 5 times really fast. Don't be trying to come for me talking about, girl, it ain't a tongue twister when it is. Okay, so isopropyl alcohol, white distilled vinegar, water, the original Blue Dawn dish soap, and that's it. There's another secret ingredient that I can't tell you about because I'm gonna sell this stuff, okay? I'm just saying. I'm also going to use this because if you have a contraption that makes your life easier when you're cleaning things off, be sure to use that. And this is for mirrors and windows, and it works really good. In this video today, I really want to show you how easy it is to clean with all these different contraptions is what I like to call them, but I guess you could say cleaning tools to make your life easier. I know some people don't like cleaning. They feel like it is the worst chore in the world, but for someone like me who has anxiety, cleaning is my outlet and it really helps me. There was a couple streaks. Your girl don't like streaks, okay? Let's move on. When you have one of those window vacuum squeegee things that I have, you definitely need to replace that squeegee so often. You know, I have never replaced mine since I've gotten it. Therefore, when it leaves streaks, I just wipe it off with paper towel. But check out all the dust right here. I hope all of you are doing well since the last time we spoke. I did not put out a real video last week, only shorts videos, because I just wasn't feeling it, okay? I can't come on here and be fake. But you'll have to let me know what you've been up to, what you've been working on. Are you excited that it is officially fall? It's still really hot in Central Ohio. This side is nice and clean now, and I can bet you some money, and I'm not a gambler. And my husband will be like, did you clean over here? Did you touch my stuff? Yeah, because it was dusty, okay? Listen, I'm with my husband. I don't like when people touch my stuff and move my things around either. And as much as I really try to put the things back where they belong, it does not always work out that way.
I don't really like a lot of clutter on my countertops, therefore I have baskets to put the things in. Let me tell you something, the baskets are a hot mess on the inside, but that's okay because it's hiding all of that. Learn how to hide things to make your home look like it's cleaner. Also, when you have light paint in your home, it makes your home look cleaner than what it really is. I'm a true out of sight, out of mind girly, so when you come into my home, you're like, oh yeah, it's clean, until you open up a closet and something falls on your toe and you try to sue me. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just let you know I ain't got nothing. What I really find interesting is I wipe off these countertops in my bathroom at least 3 times a week, and I'm not exaggerating. I just don't understand why it's always so dusty. It's crazy. Our air ducts are fine. We just live in a dust bucket. I think that is just Central Ohio in general, because every home that I've lived in has been a dust bucket. My mom says her house is a dust bucket too. Hi, Mom. Speaking of my mom, she just had a birthday. Please show her some love in the comments. Her name is Charlene. I like to call her Char Fresh because she be fresh, okay? I'm just saying. This is the last mirror that I need to clean in my bathroom, and just call me the house of mirrors, okay? So let's talk about this mirror. I've had it for years. I don't know, maybe 5, and it's still in the box at the bottom, but that's how I like it. So I just wanted to point that out. Have a great day.
I could use a bam, 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 but it's not from you, 'cause I'm not that hollow. Baby, let it be. You could try to sweet talk all you want, but I ain't that lonely. Baby, let it be. Forget your rules, forget your shoes. I've done everything you asked, but I wasted time. Forget your truth, you're just cool. I swear anything's better than you. Catch you on the flip side, catch you on the flip side. So goodbye. Funny how it works sometimes. Yeah, we kinda hit it off at first.
I painted my bathroom cabinets a few years ago. I don't remember the exact time frame. However, when I clean them off, I really do it with a lot of warm water and just a little bit of cleaner because I'm not trying to scrape that paint off. But to be honest with you, on my side, I definitely need to do some touch-ups. But I absolutely love the color. I didn't actually use a top coat after I painted them. However, if I would have, you could probably use any kind of cleaner on a top coat, but I would still be very careful because you know the top coats be chipping too. If you have a space in your home that you want to level up, just get a can of paint. I'm telling you what, it'll really level up a space and make it look beautiful. And the great thing about that is if it does chip or if it dulls out a little bit, you can just sand down and repaint over it, okay? Your girl just dropped you a gem. Shout out to Millie Vanilli for blessing me with this vac mop. Girl, I love it. And my youngest daughter, Karia, let me tell you something. She tried to use it downstairs in the kitchen and I'm like, okay, only a little bit because I don't want it to scratch the floors. It didn't scratch the floors, but I was nervous about that because I absolutely love my floors. I'm a firm believer in being thankful for what you have and taking care of it as well. And it just brings me to the scripture that says, if you're faithful over a few things, God will make you ruler over many.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have entered the grand finale of the bathroom, the shower. Let's get started with this. I know you were probably thinking like, girl, when are you going to use the steamer? Now for the shower door, because the shower door has been a struggle lately and I'm not really sure why. I've tried everything except for like lemon and aluminum foil, but we about to get down to the get down, okay?
If you have shower doors that you've been struggling to clean, be sure to stick around so you can see if this method works. I have been trying everything under the sun, so don't click off just yet.
It worked!
I spoke it into existence. Speak those things as though they are. I was like, this is gonna work. It's gonna work in Jesus' name. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. And it worked. I'm really, really excited if you cannot already tell. Here's your friendly reminder to be sure to clean the bottom of the shower door because that's where the plastic is and it has like all the grime and all the buildup. I literally clean this probably once every week, but clearly I need to do it a little bit more often. We also take 2 showers each, my husband and I, every day. Yeah, that's what it was looking like. Okay, so I knew there was going to be some sort of issue with like all the angles and that sort of thing, because obviously this is kind of a small space. So I'm going to go on the inside and work on this part of the shower door. Not even sure if you can see that because I don't have the camera turned around. So I don't know what you can see. Hopefully you can see my face. I know y'all probably think I'm crazy, and I am. Like, it's really hard for me to tame down my energy in my videos because I'm just a happy-go-lucky crazy person. There's been a lot of mildew that has been uplifted, as you can see. So we got to get that cleaned too. I'm very satisfied with that steamer in my shower. It did really well. So now I just got to scrub it down. Now that I told you a fun fact about me, please share a fun fact about you in the comments so that I can get to know you as well. I love getting to know all of you. Y'all are really good people, for real. Sparkly clean, just like I like it. Now this side kind of looks messy because I have some items that have to dry before you put them away because we don't want mildew. And then the steamer is down there. Everything is drying. Everything has been disinfected. The outside shower doors were washed down. The inside of the shower has been cleaned as well. I'm trying not to get you dizzy, as the whatever you call that thing right there. What's that thing called? You know what it's called. The bathtub's clean too. That's drying off. The mirror looks amazing. The only thing I didn't get cleaned off is that light fixture. I will do that next time. I'm not gonna do that today, but everything in here smells really clean too. It's kind of hard to see what this says, but it's the Method wood cleaner and it's almond scent. But let me tell you something, Method, if you are watching this video, sponsor your girl. Okay, that's it.
Tell you right now, 'cause
I really hope you're enjoying this real life cleaning video. All of my cleaning videos are things that I do on a normal basis, so it is real and raw. As soon as you walk up my stairs, you see this. It's been cleaned off. I really love this picture. Got it from Lowe's for the low, because it's Lowe's. Stairs are clean. Yes, they're very squeaky. And you know what's crazy? Let me show you this window right here. Ooh, look how dirty that is. But anyway, there's a window right here. So every time there's a bee or a fly, they get into the house and they automatically go to this window because they think they're gonna be able to get out, right? When I cleaned off the stairs, I came down here and I cleaned this off. And as soon as I lifted it up, there was a bee underneath it. And I said to myself, that poor bee thought these were real flowers and he got in there. And now he's in bee heaven. Here is said bee. While my stairs do not match my floors, nor does it match the railing, it's going to be taken care of eventually. I mean, we've only lived here 6 years. Let's have a moment of silence for the bee. So I figured I'd take you along with me for the rest of my day. I need to meal prep for tomorrow. Here's the seasonings that I'm going to use for some chicken tenders. I've seasoned it. I'm going to shake it up really good. I'm also going to make some potatoes. Oh my gosh, y'all, the potatoes were the bomb. They were butter, parsley, garlic potatoes. I don't know if you've ever had that or tried it. If you haven't, definitely try it. Remember that everything is better with butter. The last thing I need to do is get these dishes washed up and put away, and then cook my food and go on about my merry little life. Really?
loving you was such a bliss, bliss, bliss. We're not talking anymore. It's like we're scared of trying. this might be right. Either you feel it or you don't, might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want, let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us, how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. I feel so alive. When I'm with you, I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah.
Thank you again for being here. Make sure you say your affirmations. Make sure you love on yourself. Make sure you do something kind for someone because you don't know what people are going through. Have a great week.